Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. Here also we will be discussing technological dualism theory. In my earlier videos, I have already told you about the concept of technological dualism, the meaning of technological dualism, the assumptions of technological dualism, and as a result, we have also covered the technological dualism theory, how it works and all. So having understood that, it is very important to summarize the theory, isn't it? So this particular video is meant for that. Here we are looking at the summary of technological dualism theory. Here we are going to see how can we summarize the theory of technological dualism. Let's get started. We know that one of the most significant consequences of dualistic development is the pattern of a pattern. So this is something could be found in the pattern of employment in the underdeveloped economies, whether it is underemployment or it is unemployment. So these have assumed alarming proportions in the developing economies or in the underdeveloped economies as an indicator of some sort of fundamental disproportionality in the production relation which are inherent in dualistic development. So if you look at the Boyle's explanation, Boyle is a person who have introduced the concept of social dualism, and social dualism is also covered in our upcoming videos. We will definitely cover this particular topic in the upcoming videos because all these dualistic theories, whether it is financial dualism or social dualism or technological dualism, all these things are linked. As a result, we will be covering the theory of social dualism in our upcoming videos. So Boyer he has also dealt with the dualistic theory, dualistic nature of underdeveloped economies. However, in recent times, increasing number of writers have attempted to explain underemployment or unemployment problems of developing economies or underdeveloped countries in terms of what is known as the technological dualism. However, Boy could not recognize the aspect of technological dualism, but he had a social point of view. He always considered all these things, a dualistic character of underdeveloped economies from a social perspective. So, um, as a result, it's very important the importance of technological dualism now. We have seen that it is Benjamin Higgins who has put forward the concept of technological dualism, where he incorporated the problem of factor proportions in the production of commodities. He held that the chief cause of inelastic productive employment opportunities in developing countries is not deficient effective demand, but it is due to the technologically dualistic nature of these economies that lead to the inelastic productive employment opportunities in the developing or underdeveloped economies. Now, the fundamentally different production function and factor proportion that we could see in the two different sectors in the modern agriculture, modern industry sector and in the agriculture sector and the backward indigenous sectors of the economy. So, in the advanced sector and the backward indigenous sector. When you say advanced sector, it is a modern industry sector, and the backward indigenous sector means the traditional agriculture sector. So, the fundamentally different production functions in these two sectors are responsible for generating underemployment or unemployment. Therefore, unemployment associated with the dualistic employment or dualistic development of is considered to be of structural nature or technological nature. Higgins has explained the theory of technological dualism on the basis of two models, two sectors. Two sectors, we know that the modern industry sector and the traditional agriculture sector. Two commodities, the output of the modern industry sector and the output of the traditional agriculture sector, and two factors of production, that is labor and capital. Now, the dichotomy between these two sectors is sharply defined. Basically on the basis of the different factor proportions that are found in these two sectors, and also on the basis of production function which we could see in these two sectors. The traditional rural sector, these basically cover the peasant agriculture sector, handicrafts, very small scale industries, etc. Whereas the modern industrial sector cover big industries of large scale production, etc. How in the case of traditional agriculture sector, there is flexibility in the techniques of production, and the product can be produced with a wide range of inputs. With the possibility of easy substitutability, here a spectrum of techniques can be employed in with respect to the traditional agriculture sector. It can be wooden plow, it can be modern technological appliances such as tractors, or it can be a sickle, etc. As such, chief characteristics of production function in the traditional sector, it is something that is found to be very much variable, and the technical coefficients are variable, and here we have variable proportions happening in the traditional agriculture sector. And here wide range of technical substitutability is possible with labor abundance and capital scarcity. We know that good land is very much scarce, and also at the same time we could see abundant labor supply in the traditional agriculture sector. And this is the labor intensive techniques. This is the main result why this labor intensive techniques are chosen in the traditional agriculture sector for producing commodities. So as against the case of the agriculture sector, in the modern industrial sector, we have large scale production going on, which consists of mines, plantations, etc. Here the main feature is that technical coefficient in this production is fixed, and elasticity of substitution is it is almost zero. With the almost total absence of technical substitution here, the production in the modern agriculture sector requires a particular technique that has to be adopted for the production of a particular commodity. No other method is adopted here, no other method could be adopted here, and the production process is very much capital intensive in nature here. Having discussed that, we are going to end this video. I'll request you to like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.